हेलो, सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। गुड मॉर्निंग। अभी हम जो टॉपिक करने जा रहे हैं वो है ऑटैल्जिया, मतलब ईयर एक, जिसको हम आयुर्वेद में कर्णशूल के नाम से जानते हैं। सो दिस डिजीज is in your syllabus and it is an important disease. So listen to it carefully and try to understand as much as possible. So let's start the lecture. So Atalgia, definition. Pain in the ear may arise from the auricle, the external costic meatus or the middle ear or mastoid, or it may be referred from other sources. Types of Atalgia, it may be lancinating and paroxysmal, severe or constant, deep and boring or intermittent. It cites first pain in front of the ear in the region of tragus. It may be probably due to a furuncle, and this pain is aggravated by chewing, by lying on the affected ear, by pressure over the tragus, or by pulling the auricle. So these are reasons of pain in front of the ear in the region of tragus. Secondly, pain felt deep in the ear or behind may arise from middle ear or mastoid, and when it is increased by blowing the nose. Third, pain behind the ear may be due to an infected at the moist tip or infection at the moist tip, which may be caused by an otitis externa, infection of the scalp or uvula. Pain located below the ear in the cleft between the ramus of the mandible and the mastoid process is usually due to spread of meatal infection to an infraauricular lymph node, which may be palpable and tender. Then causes of Atalgia. Different causes are responsible for Atalgia. First, external ear causes. It includes fungal, impacted vas, otitis externa, automycosis, means infection of fungal infection of the ear, meningitis bullosa, herpes zoster, malignant neoplasms. These are causes of external ear leading to Atalgia. Then middle ear causes include acute otitis media, trachea obstruction, mastoiditis, extradural abscess, aorotitis media, and carcinoma. Then referred causes of Atalgia is from different nerves, that is fifth, ninth, and 10th cranial nerves. So referred causes due to fifth cranial nerve, that is auriculotemporal branch, include dental, related to dental, Atalgia may arise due to caries teeth, impacted molar, or malocclusion. Reasons of Atalgia from oral cavity include ulcerative lesions of tongue, oral cavity. Then, due to fifth nerve, temporomandibular joint disorders, which can cause otalgia, include bruxism, osteoarthritis, recurrent dislocation, ill-fitting denture, and spinopalatal neuralgia. Then, due to ninth cranial nerve, its tympanic branch. Ninth cranial nerve is glossopharyngeal nerve. Otalgia due to ninth cranial nerve from oropharynx, which can lead to otalgia. The conditions are acute tonsillitis, peritonsillar abscess, tonsillectomy, ulcerative lesions of soft palate, ulcerative lesions of tonsils. Then, due to base of tongue, the conditions such as tuberculosis, malignant lesions, and elongated styloid process may cause otalgia. Then, due to auricular branch of 10th cranial nerve, which is also known as Arnold nerve. The otalgia due to this nerve may arise due because of malignancy or ulcerative lesions of vallecula, epiglottis, larynx, laryngopharynx, and esophagus. And due to C2 and C3 spinal nerves, cervical spondylosis, injuries of spine, and Carey spine. Then next is psychogenic causes. If no cause is discovered, the otalgia may be functional in no reason, patient to be kept under observation, periodic evaluation should be done. So we have seen the otalgia may arise due to local causes, referred causes, and it may be psychogenic in origin. Then coming to its treatment part, otalgia is a symptom occurring in various disorders, various conditions. So we have to find the cause and institute specific treatment. So thank you very much for listening to this lecture. Have a nice day. Learn it, though it is a simple topic, but it is important from important examination point of view. As I've already told you that otalgia or earache may be due to local causes, referred causes, or psychogenic in a reason. It is a symptom, so to find the cause and treat it. So fifth, ninth, and 10th nerves are responsible for referral pain in the ear. So let's end this lecture. Have a nice day. Good day. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening to this lecture.